Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage, Flip Garage, the shed? He done hired his wife, whatever. Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Have you ever heard of Big D, of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, and Regina Renee? Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweaty, and you're selling. What kind of stuff is that? Yeah. Woo! It is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo! Woo-hoo! That we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all. I just want to make another short video on I sell a whole lot of, albums too, and I just want to make a short video on how to pack them. And I pack, y'all know I pack cheap. I don't give a damn. Okay, well these albums are 12. I say they're 12 and a half by 12 and a half, but they're not. They're like 12 and a fourth or something like that. But I always need one a little bit longer. So I say these 12 and a half by 12 and a half. So what I do, I get, I got a whole lot of cardboard boxes. And what you need at least, I want at least 2 inches on each side from like this. This is 17. This is 17 inches. See? I want at least 2 inches on each side. So when I pack them, it's enough room for me to tape the edges. Okay? So this piece right here is 17 by 30. Well, it's actually 17 by 29 and a half or something like that. But 17 by 30, okay? Now let me show y'all how I do this. I'm finna flick y'all down to my special location. And we getting ready. I'm getting ready to show you what I do. Okay? So let me count. Okay, y'all, this is what I do. Let me show y'all. This is the cardboard. Place the album kind of in the middle. Remember I said I want 2 inches on each side. 2 inches on this side, 2 inches on this side. You fold it. Okay? This is what you want. You want, see this ledge right here? You want that folded over. You want that folded over. That's why I make that a little longer. Sometimes it's a little stubborn, but you guys get it. Now you want 2 inches on this side, 2 inches on this side. So what I do, I get these from the Postal Service, right? They're PS Form 2976E. I order these and I cut them in half. Sometimes I use this half because I got a domino now, a domino, whatever you call that thing, where you print your posters off. I got that now, but before I used to use this half to put my mailing labels on, and I use this to glue stuff down. But you order this form right here, and you want to use your tape. These seal. What these do for me is they seal the edges better. When I put these on there, they seal real good, and it's waterproof. So that's why I use them. So what I do, I cut them. See these pieces right here? I cut them, and I use these pieces on with all the letters at on this side. Okay, then I take them, and it's very simple. I take them, and I glue everything down. This ain't working right because I'm trying to do it for the camera, but I don't give a damn. Okay, now you can see how this seals real good. Okay, now I use all these on this. on the edges, on the ends. That's why you need 2 inches on each side. Because you don't want no water getting in these. Tape, you know, tape is good. You can use tape for everything. But these are free, and it's more waterproof. You get 50 of them in the, I think you get 50 of them in the pack when you order them. See? That's all you got to do. Then on the edges, you gotta make sure that that I put my fingers in there. See how I put my fingers on the edge right here? I can't, hold on. Put my finger in there, and then I put a finger on the other side to make sure it's even, okay? So, do the same thing on the edges. Pull it real tight on the edges. Okay? Real tight. Because you don't want that album to slide down onto that tape. People, when they buy this stuff, they don't want, you know, they don't want to have to take the tape off their albums. So you gotta make sure this side is closed, so the album won't roll down on the sticky part over here. All right? So make sure it's closed real good. Then you tighten it. Now, I ain't gonna do all this on here, but I'm just showing you what I do. Okay? Now, this is how I do it. So, if you have any questions about it, you know, hit me up at Pickin in the Hood. Oh, you can just hit me up on YouTube, but also you can hit me up on pickininthahood2@gmail.com. Anyway, y'all, this Kevin with a real short video on how to do albums, to do LP albums, old albums if you sell them. I'm gonna put a comp down on how much I sold this for, but the guy got both of them. I had 2 of these. The same ones, he got both of them. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002. I had COVID, but I'm okay. I guess I'm okay right now. I don't know yet. But anyway, y'all, just you know, when you watch my videos, give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. If you don't like them, I don't give a damn. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.